Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to quickly fix Google Meet if it's not working properly on your device. First, check your internet connection. A weak signal often causes Meet to freeze or disconnect. Switch to Wi-Fi or you can check the mobile data. After that, next, make sure you are using Google Chrome or another supported browser and update it to the latest version. In the desktop, make sure you have updated your browser. Suppose you are using Google Chrome, make sure it is up to date. If your camera or microphone isn't working, check the small icon in your browser that addresses the bar and allow Google Meet to access both. On mobile, update the Google Meet app in your App Store or Play Store. You can check the in App Store or Play Store. You can check the Google Meet, search here Google Meet and make sure it's up to date. Still stuck? Clear your browser cache, sign back into the Google account and rejoin the meeting. Most problem get solved with these steps, and that's it. That's how you fix Google Meet quickly. If this helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple tech guides, and I'll see you in the next one.